Hey everybody, so this is our second video we're making today. So all those EcoRain tanks, basically these, they were, see how tall they are? They're about 3 feet or so. We put all of those inside of this 15 by 15 hole that's 5 feet deep. And because we put this underlayment, they call it geotextile fabric, and then we put this EPDM pond liner, which is this stuff here, and then we put the geotextile fabric on top, and now we're very close to wrapping this. And what I mean wrapping is we're going to put geotextile fabric, this stuff, on top, and then we're going to start putting sand on top. So this is going to be very, very exciting, and we're going to make sure that we put sand in between the liner and the boxes so that there's no chance of any puncturing happening, because there were some really big roots from this tree here. It's a magnolia tree. They grew all the way probably into the neighbor's place. So